Dear students, today we are going to see 3rd standard maths term 2 unit 1 numbers. In this lesson we are going to learn about multiplication. You know what is multiplication? Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Multiplication is adding the same number to a multiple times. See this example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here we add 4 3 times. See, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. The answer is 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. See, this is a multiplication fact or multiplication sentence. Multiplication is the way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Symbol of multiplication. See, this is the symbol of multiplication. Into mark or cross. See this picture. Here we have a 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 trees in each group. See, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 4 trees in 5 groups is 20. This can be written as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. This is a multiplication sentence. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. See, here 4 represents what is the number of trees in each group. How many trees are there in each group? 4. 5 represents number of groups, the total number of groups. 20 represents total number of trees. See, here 4 is a multiplicand, 5 is a multiplier and 20 is a product. The answer we get is called a product. Multiplication of a number with other number can be done in the following ways. In this lesson, it is given that multiplication can be done in 5 different ways. First one, dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm and lattice multiplication. First one, dot multiplication. See, complete the following table. Stars, number of horizontal rows, number of vertical columns and total number of stars. One has done for you. See, first one, number of horizontal rows. See, 2. And number of vertical columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. See, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Total number of stars, 8. 2 is a number of stars. 4 is a number of groups. And 8 is total number of stars. So, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. See next one, number of horizontal rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next number of vertical columns. 1, 2, 3. So, 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Total number of stars is 12. Next one, number of horizontal rows. 1, 2, 3. Number of vertical columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Next, number of horizontal rows, 3. Columns, 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Next, repeated addition. Let us recall the repeated addition we have learned in lower classes. You have learned the repeated addition in small class. First one, find the total number of flowers. Here we have a 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Each group 3 flowers are there. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So total number of flowers is 9. See, 3 groups of 3 flowers make 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. This is the multiplication sentence. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 is number of flowers and 3 is number of groups and total number of flowers. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next, find the total number of leaves. Here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. For each group there are 4 leaves. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So total number is 16. Multiplication sentence is 4 is equal to 16. Next, how many apples are there in 4 plates? See, here there are 4 plates. In each plates there are 5 apples. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So total number of apples is 20. Let us see how to write multiplication sentence. Means how many apples are there in each plate? 5 into how many plates are there? 4 is equal to number of total number of apples is 20. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. This is multiplication sentence. Next one, constructions of multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Let us see how to make a multiplication table. See, multiplication table 2. Each box has 2 balls. Repeated addition facts and multiplication facts. First 2 balls. See, here 2 balls are there and how many groups? 1 group, 1 box. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next one, see, 2 plus 2. So total number of balls is 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next one, number of balls 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Multiplication sentence is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Number of balls 2, 3 groups or box and total number of balls is 6. See next one. 2 balls of 4 groups. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is 8. Multiplication sentence is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Next, see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So total number of balls is 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Next one, see 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Next, 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Two into 8 is equal to 16. Next one, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Last one, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Here 2 balls, 10 groups, total number of balls is 20. This is the multiplication table of 2. See, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 into 4 is equal to 3, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 2 into 7 is equal to 14, 2 into 8 is equal to 16, 2 into 9 is equal to 18, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Next one, multiplying by 2. Here we have a 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group have 2 leaves, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So, total number of leaves is 8, leaves are 8. This can be written as 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Number of leaves 2, 4 groups and total number of leaves is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Here 2 is a multiplicand, 4 is a multiplier, 8 is a product. See this activity, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. See this exercise, fill in the boxes. 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 7 into 2 is equal to 14, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 8 into 2 is equal to 16, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Multiplication table 3. Boxes of 3 stars, repeated addition facts and multiplication facts. See here, one box 3 stars. So, repeated addition facts is 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Number of stars is 3. One group and total number of stars is 3. See next, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Addition fact is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Number of stars is 3 and number of groups is 2. 1, 2. So, total number of stars is 6. Like that, see 3 into 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Multiplication fact is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total number of stars is 12. Multiplication fact is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Next one, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Three into 7 is equal to 21. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So, here number of stars is 3. 10 represents number of groups and total number of stars is 30. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. See this activity. Shall we say the multiples of 3? I like to jump by 3. See. First one, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15 and 6 threes are 18. This is skip by threes. See this number line? This is a skip by threes. Here first jump 3, second jump is 6 and third jump is 9. There is into mark only, there is no plus mark. Okay, here there is a into mark. See, these are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are the multiples of 3. See this exercise. Fill in the following tables. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18 and 10 2s are 20. Same like that, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27 and 10 3s are 30. Next, filling boxes. 6 into 3 is equal to 18, 10 into 3 is equal to 30, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 3 into 6 is equal to 18, 3 into 10 is equal to 30, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 8 into 3 is equal to 24, 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Next one, multiplication table 4. See, a chair has 4 legs, repeated addition facts and multiplication facts. A chair has 4 legs, one chair and 4 legs. So, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next one, see, 4 plus 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. See next one. See 4 into 3. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So number of legs is 4 and number of chair 3 and total number of legs is 12. Next, see 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Next, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Next, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Next, 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, number of legs is 4 and number of chair is 7. So, total number of legs is 28. See next, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chairs and 4 legs. So, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Next, 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Last one. See 4 into 10 is equal to 40. See 4 legs and 10 chairs. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. See, complete the table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36. 10 fours are 40. If 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 5 boxes? See, number of toys, each box 4 toys. So, number of groups, number of box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, total number of toys is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Fill in the boxes. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. And 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. That's all about this class. Thank you.